Christmas po, Ma'am Lucel. My name is Gracia Sanoka Hingalo, grade 6, Ampil. The first topic po na pinili ko po sa week 1 projects or video ay how to add or subtract the similar fractions. So, 2/5 plus 3/10 is equal to n. Solution. First step is write the given. 2/5 plus 3/10 is equal to n. Second step, find the least common multiple of the denominator, which is 5 and 10. 5 is equal to 1 times 5, 10 equal 5 times 2. Bring down the 1 and 2. The 5 ay magiging isa na lang kung 5. 1 times 2 times 5 is equal to 10. It is the least common denominator or LCD. Third step, put the LCD as our denominator. Fourth step, find the equivalent fraction of 2/5 and 3/10 with 10 as denominator. 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 3/10 is equal to the equivalent fraction of 2/5 and 3/10 with 10 as denominator, which is 4/10 plus 3/10. Now we will add the fraction is equal to 7/10. Ang ikalawa pong topic na napili ko po ay sa week 8 projects or video ay ang pag-divide po ng 1/10, 100s, and 1,000s. When dividing 1/10, 100s, and 1,000s, we move the decimal places to the right as the number of decimal places. For example, 42 and 53 hundreds divided by 1/10 is equal to 425 and 3/10. 42 and 53 hundreds divided by 100 is equal to 4,253. 42 and 53 hundreds dividing by 1,000 is equal to 42,530. The second one is dividing whole number, decimal numbers by whole number, which is 10, 100, and 1,000. When dividing 10, 100, and 1,000, we move the decimal point as the number of zeros to the left. For example, 322 and 56 hundreds divided by 10 is equal to 32 and 256 thousands. 322 and 56 hundreds divided by 100 is equal to 3 and 2,256 10,000s. 322 and 56 hundreds divided by 1,000 is equal to 32,000 and 256 hundred thousands. Annex zeros if needed. The third topic is how to know or get if a fraction is a terminating or repeating decimal from week 9 projects or video. Here are the example. Is 2/5 terminating or repeating decimal? Solution. 2/5 is equal to 2 divided by 5. Now we will divide it to find the quotient. 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0. 0 times 5 is 0. So bring down the 2. And here are the example. 2/5 Since 2/5 is a terminating or repeating decimal, solution 2/5 is equal to 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 it cannot be because 5 is a larger number than 2. So we will add annex point a decimal and add a zero. And now 0 and point, decimal point. Now it's 20. 5 divided by 20 is equal to 4. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Now we will add again a 0. Bring down the 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So the answer is 40 hundredths. Answer 2/5 is a terminating decimal. The difference between terminating and repeating decimal, terminating decimal is the remainder is 0, while repeating decimal, the number is repeated. We put a bar on the top in repeating decimal. Thank you po and God bless, Ma'am Lucille.